Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of early heartbeat detection with a portable digital ultrasonic fetal Doppler. First and foremost, early heartbeat detection can give you peace of mind. Knowing that your baby's heart is beating strongly can help alleviate any worries or concerns you might have. Secondly, early heartbeat detection can help you bond with your baby. Hearing that heartbeat for the first time is a special moment that can bring you closer to your little one. Thirdly, early heartbeat detection can help you keep track of your pregnancy. By monitoring your baby's heartbeat, you can stay informed about your pregnancy progress and ensure everything is going smoothly. And lastly, early heartbeat detection can help you share the excitement with your loved ones. Sharing the news of your baby's heartbeat with your partner, family, or friends can create a shared experience and help you celebrate this wonderful moment together. So, there you have it, the benefits of early heartbeat detection with a portable digital ultrasonic fetal Doppler. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe and visit our website on www.hrvatmed.com for more great content. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.